Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study English for SSC CGL. First, understand the exam pattern and syllabus thoroughly to know what to expect. Next, focus on mastering foundational grammar rules. This is crucial for accuracy in all sections. Finally, commit to building a robust vocabulary daily, as it underpins success in comprehension and close tests. Consistent effort in these areas will form a solid base for your preparation. To master vocabulary, learn 10 to 15 new words daily. Use flashcards or a dedicated notebook for active recall and regular revision. For grammar, practice rules extensively with exercises from trusted English textbooks. Pay close attention to common errors you make in your writing and speaking. This self-correction is vital for improving accuracy. Consistent practice will solidify your understanding and application of English grammar. Enhance your reading speed and comprehension by reading English newspapers and magazines daily. This exposure to diverse topics and writing styles is invaluable. Regularly practice reading comprehension passages and close tests to improve your ability to grasp context and fill in blanks accurately. Additionally, summarize articles in your own words. This active process significantly boosts your understanding and retention of information, preparing you for the exam's demands. To finalize your preparation, take full-length mock tests weekly to simulate actual exam conditions and manage your time effectively. After each test, thoroughly analyze your performance to identify specific weak areas that require more attention. Focus on improving these sections with targeted practice. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Consistent review and strategic adjustments based on your mock test results are key to achieving your desired score.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.